Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Can I have your resume, please?
Yeah, sure.
Good with your resume. Can you introduce about yourself?
Yeah, sure, sir. My name is Shweta. I'm from Karimnagar. Currently, I'm staying in Hyderabad, and I have completed my Master of Computers application from Sri Chaitanya Engineering College, and I have a good knowledge in Core Java. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve the best position where I can build my career. That's all about me, sir.
Okay, that's good. Can you tell what is a string in Java and how it is different from a character array?
String is nothing but it represents a group of characters, and it is also represent a single data type and single entity. It is a immutable. Character array is a sequential collection of data type where each element is separate entity.
Okay. Can you tell how can you able to compare two strings in Java?
We can compare two strings in Java. We are using three different ways. First one, equals method, equals operator, compare to method. For example, string s1 greater than string s2. The method returns positive value. String s1 less than string s2. Method return negative value. String s1 equals to string s2. Method return zero value.
Okay. What is the difference between string buffer, and string builder in Java?
String is nothing but it represents a group of characters, and it is immutable, and it can be used to create any object of type strings. And coming to string builder, it is a Java class. It can be used to string objects, and which is modified with thread safety. Coming to string builder, it is also Java class. It can be used to string objects, and it can be modified without thread safety.
How to read your file line by line using a buffer reader?
Okay. We can use readline method from java.io.bufferreader to a reader file line by line to a string. And this method return null when the end of the file is reached.
Okay. Can you tell what is an array in Java and how it is different from array length?
An array is a collection of homogeneous elements, and we can use the array to reduce the size of the program. And
Okay.
array list is not a fixed size of the data structure. There is no need to mention the size of the array list, especially creating object.
Okay. How do you find the length of an array in Java?
We can find the length of the array by using array attribute length. We can use this attribute with the array name. For example, int array equals to new int of 5. We can find the array length. We can use array dot length.
Okay, let me have one more question on the same arrays concept. See, how to find an element in an array?
For in example, an array consists of element equals to 7, 8, 9, 10, and we feed the element to be searched as the 8th. It will show the position 1 as per as array index start from 0 index.
Okay, fine, that's good. Can you tell the difference between constructor and a method?
Constructor and method. Constructor name and class name must and should be same. Coming
Okay.
to method name may or may not be same as per class name. And coming to constructor does not return type. Method must have return statement.
Okay.
And coming to constructor, it cannot overridden. Method can be overridden. Coming to constructor, it cannot declare as a static. Method can be declared as a static.
So we'll do one thing. Go with the constructors for the next question. Can you write a constructor private? If yes, why?
We can declare the constructor as a private. If we are using the constructor as a private, we are not able to create any object class. We can use this private constructor and in this singleton design pattern.
Okay, that's cool. Let me have another question on the constructor. Can you tell what is meant by constructor chaining?
The child class is confused to call the superclasses is known as constructor chaining problem.
Okay. Let me end this interview by a program. Can you write a program on interface?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Fine.
I'm taking interfaces program. Printable. And I have to declare the print declaration void print. Again I have to take another interface showable. Again I can declare show. Then I am taking main class public class test enter, and I want to implement the printable and showable. Implements printable, comma showable. Then I can implement print and show. Public void print system dot out dot println print. Again public void show system dot out dot println show. Again I have to write the main method public static void main. S must and should be capital string marks. Then I have to create an class object test in t equals to new test int. Then I will print t dot print and t dot show. This is the example for interface. An interface is nothing but collection of abstract methods and constants. And in implements we can implement the interface to achieve the multiple inheritance. But in multiple inheritance, the child class wants to implement at a time two classes, but it is not possible in multiple inheritance. So that's why we are using an interfaces. And I have to create an interface 1 and interface 2, and then again I will implement print and show. Then I will create test into an object, and again I will print and show. That's all.
Okay, good with the bookmark. Okay, your technical stuff is good. So, what is your salary expectations?
As a fresher, salary is not first priority for me. So this is a big platform to start my career, and I want to improve my skills and gain the experience. So I expected considerable of salary according to my ability as per as our company norms.
Okay, good. That sounds interesting. So, according to you, what are your weaknesses, strengths, and your weaknesses?
My strengths are I am a punctual, self-motivated, and a good team leader. And my weakness is I am very sensitive, and I can't say no when someone asks for help.
Okay. See, I had so many candidates, same like you. What makes you special? Why I should only hire you?
I have a strong work ethic, and I believe my motivation commitment will ensure that I quickly become a productive and valued member of your team. So I believe I am the right fit for this job role. That's all.
Good to hear from you. Nice meeting you. And my HR team will be getting back to you. I hope we will be continuing your journey.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.